Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Meet. Okay. Now, let me assume you have a Gmail. So let me let me go to the start. Let me assume you have a Gmail. So in your Gmail, you have to go to your Google Apps icon. Google Apps icon is here. It's just next to your profile pic. So let me click on Google Apps. So when I click on it, I'm going to be given different apps for Google. I'm going to click on Meet. When you click on Meet, you're going to come here. Then you're going to click on New Meeting. When you click on New Meeting, you'll be given 3 options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. So if the meeting is starting right away, you can go for start an instant meeting. If the meeting is going to be maybe later, maybe 5 minutes or tomorrow, you can go for create a meeting for later. Though even if the meeting is going to start right away, it's okay to use the create a meeting for later, then you join, okay? So I suggest let's use the first option, even if the meeting is now or later. So let me click on create a meeting for later. When you click on it, they are going to give you a link that you're supposed to send to your team who you want to be in a meeting. So let me copy that. Okay? So after that, you send that link to your team, maybe in WhatsApp or Gmail or whatever, okay? So that they can know which link they are going to use to join into the meeting. So let me cross this. I already have my link copied. So let me come on the Google, on my browser, in my address bar on my browser. I'm going to paste that link. Make sure you don't paste this link in Google, because you don't search this link. You paste it in your address bar, okay? Let me enter that. So it's going to come here. Then I'm going to join now. Since I'm the host, I'll be logged in automatically. Okay, now you're going to wait for the other members to come. So let me open another browser to assume I'm actually the second person who is going to join to the meeting. Okay, so assuming the other person received the link, is going to come here, then he's going to load it, or he's going to just click on it. Okay, when he clicks on it, he's going to ask to, he's going to ask to join the meeting. When he clicks on ask to join the meeting, the host, you're going to see actually a notification that someone wants to join this call. Okay, now this is just a demo account that I'm trying to publish. Okay, so user code Ruth wants to join the meeting, so you're going to actually click on view, then you're going to click on admit. Okay. So when you admit him, it means actually here it will turn to 2 people. So it means it's you and this user I've created, okay, called Luth. Okay, now they're in the meeting. So let me go back. So you can actually start now chatting, talking, so you'll be able to hear you. Now let me take you through the different features which are in Google Meet. Here you will see the microphone in case you want to kind of turn off the microphone, maybe like you want to maybe make a call or something and you don't want the other person to hear you in the background, you can click on turn off mic, okay? So when this mic is off, the other person can't hear you, but you can hear her, okay? Or him. But for her, he can't hear me because you have turned off the microphone, okay? This one I usually do it maybe if the other person is presenting and I don't want my background to interfere with him presenting or her presenting. So let's put it on back. Then we actually, because let me just put it off for now. Then there's a video. You can put the video off, you can put the video on. If you want the other person to see you, you can leave it. If you don't want him to see you, you can put it off. So he'll be just actually hearing you. But if the mic is off and the video is off, it means he can't hear you, he can't see you. So let's actually put it on, all right? Then we have Okay, let me put it off. Then we have this share. The share icon helps you to share your screen to the other person. Maybe the other person wants to see how is what. Maybe you're presenting the work on your computer to the other person, so you can just click on share. When you click on share, you can share your entire screen. When you click actually on share, they give you three options. The tab that you are on. Currently, I'm using Chrome, so I'm given this. This. There's a window, you can share just an exact window, or you can share the entire screen. Entire screen, it means your entire screen, including even if actually you go off this and you go on the computer, on the desktop, they'll be seeing everything. So entire screen is like you are sharing everything your screen will be displaying. When you want to share your entire screen, click on entire screen, then you click on this. Then share will be active. Okay, if you don't click on this, for example, if you don't click on this, share will not be activated. So you have to, if you're under entire screen tab, you have to click on entire screen here, then you click on share. So there you'll be sharing everything. Because sometimes you may have to move away from this browser. Maybe you go to folders, maybe show him some documents, Excel, Microsoft. So there you share your entire screen. Okay, but if you want to just share maybe this tab, you can just click on the tab. To be not confused, you can always share your entire screen. Okay, in case you don't know like what you're going to read, because during the meeting you may have to actually share other stuff. So when you share entire screen, everything that you see on your screen will be exactly shown to the other person. Okay. So there is this send a reaction. Those are emojis. There is a turn on captions. This one, raise a hand. Maybe the meeting has like 100 people, 50 people. You can kind of raise a hand just in class. So the other host will be able to see that someone is raising a hand. Now, these three dashes, that's why you actually have settings and record, but record is actually disabled on free Gmail accounts. By default, we are given actually free Gmails until you occupy your free 15 GB. So unless actually using a paid version of Gmail, you can record your Google Meet. If you don't have a paid Gmail, if you're not paying for your Gmail, you can record your Google Meet session, okay? This one is to leave a meeting. If you're done actually with the meeting, you can just click on this big red. We have meeting details icon. When you click on it, it shows the link that you use for your Google Meet. In case maybe the meeting has already started and you forgot your Google Meet, you can always click on this to get your Google Meet link. Okay, you just copy it and you send it to someone. Then these people are the people who are in the meeting. If there are many, you can actually just search them here. If you want to add more, you can just click add more, then you add another person, you will get an invite, okay? But most cases, it's better to send them a link and then they join themselves. Here we have chat with everyone. You can actually chat in a group, something like that. So when you click on, when you send a chat, a message, all the people in the group will see that text in the chat section, not in their emails, but in the chat section here. Then we have meeting tools. Meeting tools is where you can actually find TeamViewer and all that stuff. Me, myself, I've never used this section, okay? Then we have host controls. Host controls, maybe you want to control how people actually use their microphone, or you want to disable them from sharing their screen. You go to host control. Host control, to activate it, you have to actually click on this X to activate it. It has to be blue. When it's blue, then you can play with these, features. You can say, let the people never share their screen. It means they will never share their screen. You can say, let people not turn on their microphone. It means their microphone never be turned on, okay? If you say, let turn on their video, if it's off, it means they won't be able to turn on their video. Actually, they explain to you even what these features do. Turning this off might remove people using outdated, okay. So something like that. So by default, you can leave them on unless you want uh, unless you want unless you want to limit some features. You actually have to activate this, then you tick off what you don't want them to be able to do. Okay. The other things, host must join before anyone else. If this is actually enforced, it means no one can join the meeting unless you are already in. Okay. Meeting access type, you can limit who can be in this meeting. Open, or no one has to join the meeting. So when you say open, it means everyone can join a meeting as long as I think it has a link. When you leave it to trusted, it means people can join without asking if they are invited using their Google Meet, something like that. So you can play with these features on and off, but let me just deactivate them for now. Okay, if you deactivate them for now, it means all these features, you can't control all these features. Okay, to control these features, you have to take this thing on. So basically, that is a short tutorial of how you can use Google Meet. Okay, I think you like the video. Let me know what you think about Google Meet. You can leave me a like. You can subscribe on my YouTube channel if you're interested in videos like this. I usually actually do reviews about different softwares and apps, and I also do videos about how you can make money online. Okay, so if these are kind of the videos that you may be interested in seeing on YouTube, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate your support and see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.